Have you ever wondered what you need to pack on your cruise? Well, we're cruise experts. We're Megan and Sean Purdy from Traveling Our Purdy World, and we're here to tell you what you must pack for your next cruise. All luggage brought on a cruise ship needs specific luggage tags. These tags say your cruise ship, your date that you're sailing, and your room number. These luggage tags are required on all luggage brought on the ship, so why not make it easy and make sure that these don't get ripped off or taken. So buy these luggage tag holders, which are clear laminated pouches that you stick your luggage tags in, and it'll save you a lot of hassle. A helpful tip is to have these cruise lanyards where you can slide your sail and sign pass right into the lanyard. It can be around your neck and it's easily accessible at all times. All cruise ships at least provide complimentary shampoo and body wash. While it is nice that they provide these, many times they are not really the best. For a person with long, thick hair, it's best just to bring your own shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, just so you know you're still getting the right hair care while you're on vacation. If you have a lot of products like I do, then you will definitely want a toiletry bag to keep all of them organized and accessible at all times. This toiletry bag is awesome. It has all kinds of different sections where you can keep your makeup, your jewelry, your hair products, everything that you can want. This bag holds it. A personal fan is a must for a cruise. Cruises are typically to warmer tropical climates, which are very hot and humid. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of walking on cruises, and it gets very, very hot and sticky. So having a personal fan that you can keep in your purse or your pocket is just awesome. It's actually kind of a necessity. I don't know about you guys, but I love my fan. I need a fan in my pocket. I need a fan in my bedroom. I need a fan everywhere. I want a fan that will move my book pages. And, find a good fan that you like and bring it with you. Cruise ships do provide complimentary towels that you can use while on the cruise ship and in port. It is important to know that these towels are very big and bulky and heavy. So it's a good idea to bring a microfiber towel that's really light and can fold up easily, can fit in your bag, just so you don't have to carry the cruise provided towels with you. As you can imagine, on a cruise ship, you eat and drink a lot. Also, when you're on land, you drink a lot also because it's usually very hot in the Caribbean ports. So it's important to bring a beverage tumbler like a Yeti or Stanley cup, just to carry your water with you. It keeps it cold and it's portable, and it's a lot better than just using the cruise provided tiny little cups. Something that you might not think about bringing on your cruise is medicine. I have learned to bring every kind of medicine and also face masks. It's important to bring cold medicine, Tums, ibuprofen, Tylenol, pollen, like allergy medicines, hand sanitizers. Pretty much the more you bring as far as medicine, the better. You never know if you might catch a cold or if there's sickness going around. It's just better to be safe than sorry. Another item that we recently have started bringing on all of our cruises are these fold up laundry hampers. It sounds silly, but they are the best idea for a cruise ship. We buy a pack of 2. You can have one that is your dirty clothes, your underwear, your stuff you're not going to wear again, and then another one which is like clothes that you wore for a couple hours. That's not clean per se, but it's not dirty either. We've learned to do this, and it's really a game changer. Another item that you should buy, bring, make, is decoration for your door. This is such a fun thing when you're walking through the halls, going to your room to see how everybody else decorates. But it's also really convenient for you to easily recognize your door so you're not, stumbling to try and find your room. So it just makes it really fun. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in any of the products we listed in the video, they are in the comment section below. Feel free to purchase as many as you want for all of your travel needs. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more travel content. Happy cruising!